What is going on, MOASS Nation? I've got another quick update for you today, so stay tuned because we are going to get right into the video. But before we do, all I ask is that you go ahead and smash that like button so that the YouTube algorithm shares this video with as many apes as possible. And for the love of God, if you're not subscribed yet, what in the heck are you waiting for? I drop content just like this every single day. But now, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So we need to talk about earnings. And just as I expected and put out in the last couple of videos about earnings, we had an extremely strong quarter. Each quarter, it would appear in the last few quarters, AMC just does better and better. It's basically a reopening play. I kind of told you guys that already in previous videos. We're seeing significant growth here. It's not the same as it was pre-pandemic in terms of numbers and data, but we're getting there, and that's the point. The point is that to all those haters and naysayers, Rich Greenfield that gets on the news on CNBC and talks about how AMC is dead, how movie theaters are dead, well, they've got another thing coming. And AMC isn't just a movie theater. We've got Aron, and yes, back in the day, I may have bad-mouthed him a little bit. I apologize for that, but now I see that he definitely is an ape, and he's following what the apes are saying very closely and doing what needs to be done to pretty much save this company and get it back on the right track. He's doing a fine job at that. We found out from earnings, number one, there's less cash burn. Number two, the revenues are growing. We've got over 40 million users returning to theaters, which is exactly what I wanted to see. And those numbers are going to continue to grow. Then there's the talk of the popcorn business. By the first quarter of 2022, we're going to have 5 quick service locations. We're going to have those locations in places where AMC theaters aren't located. Now, you're not going to be watching movies here and stuff like that. They're going to be selling popcorn, prepackaged popcorn that you can take home and pop. And on top of that, also snacks and to-go packages, things of that nature. Kind of like a gas station minus the beer and cigarettes. But they're also going to be selling this popcorn at convenience stores, at the malls, pretty much everywhere you can think of where popcorn could be sold. Now, some more news is cryptocurrency. So we've got your Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, all of those cryptocurrencies should be available to be used by the end of the year. And in addition to that, Adam was polling people on Twitter asking if she should extend that to Dogecoin, which I believe will be available at the first quarter of 2022, and then also he's looking into Shiba Inu. So all that is wonderful news for us. It definitely lets us see that the CEO is working for the apes. You know, something I said in the last video, something that my guest Chris said on the last video, is that AMC has something that none of these other companies have, and that's apes. We've got the support of the apes. We've got each other. So continue doing what you're doing, and we should see some tremendous growth in this company. And that, for sure, if nothing else, will set off that MOASS.